Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Yesterday you all witnessed my video about that down rain rainstorm, I can say. It was huge amount of rain. Now the water just went to the drain and some on the basement. So today my goal is to start to fill it up. And before I'm gonna fix, I do some elbow juice shovel action and start to work to fill up that hole. So I'm gonna do that by hand right now and later on with the tractor. However, I have good news for you folks. I'm going to show you what I just purchased, acquired, I should say. So, and that's something I'm gonna show you that right now. So you all know about my camera, and so I decided to upgrade myself. So you can see the very nice tripod. It's a very good one. You can with very interesting good locks, and it's made by it's a professional grade company. And tripod, and what it is at the top of that, well, it's a little small camera. It's the GoPro 7 Black. So I'm going to use it right at that. That's the introduction, and I will now I don't know how I'm going to edit that. I'm going to start with this camera first, and then I'm going to do a cut, and then I'm going to transfer for that one. So I will keep my whole cell, but no on we're gonna go with high definition, not in 4K because it's a pain in the bum. But I will sure use that now. So all right. So thank you, and let's go to work because there's a lot of it. Cheers. All right, folks. So. I'm just gonna do a good swivel. I'm very impressed about that camera for the stability of the tripod. It's so I give you a nice view. So I'm gonna get my gloves, so you have a good chance to see me. So I'm gonna start to work on that. All right, cheers.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
The reason why I'm creating a pocket of hair is I'm gonna recover it with rocks and dirt, but here I want it locked. That piece of French drain is not pierced. It's a closed tube. What I don't want to happen if in case of a rain that pool of water is going towards the house. So here, if in case it does, the water here in the tube will stop it. But I know here I'm going to create like a barrier, like a hurt, so the water won't go that way. So it's going to be a large pool of water there, and it will go through the open drain there. So, and it's also for protecting against the frost. So I'm going to cover everything there. All right, so I'm going to fix that drain there, and then I'm going to use the Mahindra to recover everything. All right, cheers. Alright, so I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer. Alright, so as you can see, I pile up all the rocks, so we create like a gap of air, so the water not only will come from the top but will come from the side, because that piece of pipe is about 2 feet long. Like you saw previously, it's all filled of holes, so the water will come from the top and all around, so it's like a big water. And also towards like this, you can see the trench full of rocks, so all the water will go there. And I'm just gonna back up. And also here it's a completely lock off, so the water will stop there and go towards there, if any. Like I was explaining to some of my comments, the worker came in from, let's say, behind the tractor and all the way there and there. The water will go that way. The water coming from there, I'm gonna ditch a little trench, but it will go towards between the propane tank and the landscape. The water coming from here will go towards like that and get catch up by this drain, or either all the way to the land. All right. So yeah, that's the and all that water. I'm just gonna drop that right now. All the water then the catch up here will go towards here. All right, so it's time to fill up that hole there. All right, and that GoPro, it's quite something, but I really like the tripod. It was not cheap, but it was it's worth it. All right. So here I'm gonna leave it empty like that. So I'm gonna put rocks there, so the dirt won't go towards that way. So I'm gonna find rocks to fill up there instead of using woods and stuff like that. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's do that. Cheers. As you saw with the pile, I was skimming off the surface because I had more rocks than dirt, and that's what I like to have, so the water go faster in the ground. So I create a wall, a slight slope. All right, this I'm gonna fill up with proper rocks, so the slope will stay there. So all here it's even. There's a loop in the middle, so all the water around where the area will go through there, and also the pipe. All right, folks, so this is it for this project. So everything is covered. Now I'm gonna work to remove the deck tomorrow. And hopefully I will work on the landscape around. So I wish you tomorrow, well, I'm gonna update this video for tonight, but I wish you for tomorrow, for all the Canadians, a happy Canada Day. And please take care of yourself, enjoy. And thank you kindly for all your great support, folks.